Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. For the today session, we're gonna starting the new topic in the DSA. So today topic gonna be our graph. So let's start with this graph, right? What is that and all the stuff. So we will be seeing these things line by line, in detail way. Kind of a So first of all, what is a graph? So graph is a way to represent connection between things. It consists of nodes or edges. Two things are there. We have to represent the things. Nodes refers to the things of these as a points or locations, or edges. These are lines connecting the nodes. They represent the relationship between the nodes. So for example, uh, imagine cities are nodes and the roads between them as edges. So the road tells you which cities are connected to that. Like so, in this graph, A, B, C, D are the nodes, cities, and the lines connecting them are edges, roads. So types of graphs we have the undirected graph, directed graph we have. So in an undirected graph, the edge have no direction. So if there is a road between A and B, you can travel both ways, A to B and B to A. In directed graph, in a directed graph, the edges have a direction. Think of one-way roads where you can only go from A to B, but not B to A. Like that, you can do things. And how do we represent a graph in a code? So adjacent matrix we have been using a matrix 2D where rows and columns represents nodes, where rows and columns represent nodes. A value of 1 means there is an edge between the nodes. Example for a graph with 4 nodes A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Here A is connected to B and B. C, B is connected to D. Adjacent list, a list where each node points to its neighbor. So example for the same graph like that we have. So now we can see that the some operations here. So basic operations we can see here. Traversing a graph. So DFS, explore as far as possible along a branch before backtracking. BFS, explore all the neighbor at the present depth before moving to the nodes at the next level. So simple code for the graph using this. These are the codes are there. And guys, applications of graph we can see that the social networking, maps and routes, web crawling. These are the things that been using into the AI actually graph and all. Now guys, I got to hit actually that I have to be focusing on the more of a kind of a AI things. Actually it's the end of the almost the DSA series, and afterwards that we will be focusing on the AI, Python and the data analytics things that have to be work on this, because that the future will be all gonna be covered up by these things. So why not to invest in that and get some rewarded things accordingly. But I would say that get into that and first, and try to grab those, what to say, the knowledges and all about the models, AI things and all the stuff that we have been using so far. And I would say that there are too much actually varieties of the things gonna be come up in the coming futures. And just that it's going to be arrived, just waiting for it, because that these things have been started releasing in, and the company has to be that they adapt, otherwise this they're gonna be out of the market for sure. So that's what my plan is, that to get into it fast way and grab the market so far. Otherwise the competitors are too much and they can grab anyhow anyway. So guys, that we will be seeing the couples of questions for the tomorrow of graph. And till then, bye. That's all of my time for the today. See you on the next, catch you on the next. Till then, bye, peace, and hope for the best that we will be grabbing our job before 200 video, right? So that's all. Hope for the best.